So hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. You all may have viewed my previous video. In that video I tell you the art of speaking. Art of speaking is very important, as I told in previous video. So who are not viewed my previous video, go and watch my that video. This is very important video for us. So today in this video I gonna tell you the topic, which is know yourself. Know yourself means खुद को जानना. Know yourself is very important because if you are a student, if you are employee, if you are any businessman, if you are politician, if you have any other background, so know yourself is very important. Know your skill, know your talent, know your vision, know your capacity, how much can you do, know your attitude, know your confidence, because everything is very important in your life. Everything is important, every part of your life, because the talent shows your how much work you can do, the ability how much can work can you do, and everything knows is very important. Confidence is very essential for while speaking, while communication, in any part of your life. Know your vision, know your goal, know your goal, know your short term goal, know your long term goal, because if you have the good knowledge of yourself, so you can do everything in your life. If I have a good command of my goal, my vision, my talent, if I have good command in English, I know it is my strength, so I can do related to English, related to communication, because I know myself. If you have good command in technology, firstly you have to know yourself, then work on it, how to improve my that skill, my that work, my that capacity, my that talent, how to know your goal, what's your goal, what's your vision. If you have the good command, if you have the good vision, so you work on it and achieve it, because if you have the good or clear vision, so you can do anything, you can success easily. So know yourself is very important. Know every part of your life. No, if you have clear how to do, what to do, why to do, so it is very easy for us. So in this video I tell you how to know yourself. Firstly, you judge yourself. What is my strength, what is my weakness, what is my capacity, how much can I do, how much cannot I do. After that, know your talent. If you have a good talent in technology field, you can do technology field, you work on it there. If you have a good, if you have talent to play any musical instrument, singing, dancing, so you work on it, you perform and you achieve your goal. Know your capacity, how much work can you do. Someone has the capacity with 6 hours in a day, but another person have 4 hour capacity. So know your capacity, how much work can I do. That is very important, because if you have 6 hour capacity, or you are doing 8 hours, so it is the very wrong. After that, you have to the good knowledge of your vision. If you have clear vision, then you can achieve anything. If like I will, yep, I wanna be the good engineer, the good software engineer, yeah, IPS, IES. So I have the clear vision. If I have the clear vision, so I easily work on it. Okay. After that, know your strength, know your weakness. If you have good strength, okay, it is good, make more strength. If you have any weakness, so please work on it and move on weakness to strength. It is very big task, I know very well, but it is not impossible. After that, vision, talent, capacity. After that, goal. What is your goal, what is your aim? If I have the clear vision, I have the clear goal, I have to clear what will you do in future. So it is very easy to achieve, it is easy to practice. I know without practice we cannot achieve anything, but without any vision, without any goal, you cannot achieve anything. If you are good consistently, if you are disciplined, but you don't have any goal, you don't have any aim, so it is it is worthless. So I know very people will practice daily, but they are not the clear vision what to do in future. So it is very basic video, I know. So in this video I just want to tell you, please know yourself, because it is very tough. If you are a student or if you are from school background, so it is very good chance to know yourself, know your capacity, what will you do in future. I seen many people that they are not clear vision, they are not able to know what will you do after 5 years. So it is very tough to live in this era, in this technology, in this field. So in this video, at last I suggest you know yourself, because it is a initial, or it is a very essential thing for your life. So and I covered all these things about know yourself, and that playlist I uploaded many videos. In that videos I told you how to improve your communication skill, how to speak in public, how to know how to improve your public speaking, how to improve your communication skill, introduction, brief introduction, short introduction. I all covered these things. Please watch my previous video that I uploaded in that playlist. So please, thank you guys, subscribe guys. Okay, thank you.